Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, being Tori. In today's video, I'm excited to share some beautiful flowers from my garden with a loved one. Speaking of sharing, that's the word of the day. What is something you like to share? Comment down below. I'll also be sharing some handy tips, so please stick around. Let's get this fun, exciting video started, you guys. Guys, I'm out here in my garden and I'm getting ready for an August bouquet, but we're gonna do more than an August bouquet in this video. We're gonna have some fun, you guys. We're gonna have some special guests, and now I'm not talking about the little creatures that come like the butterflies and hummingbirds. My brother and sister-in-law are coming to visit, and I'm gonna make this beautiful bouquet of zinnias and some coneflowers, all for my sister-in-law to have. So I'm gonna give and share this bouquet with her. Also, my brother is coming over and I'm going to share some plants and flowers that I'm growing in the garden so he can grow them in his garden. So I'm going to start off by cutting the flowers, all these flowers. As you can see, I'm wearing gloves. I have to be kind of very extra careful in my garden because I saw some spiders growing in here. So I'm gonna do as I usually do. I'm gonna cut it. I'm going to cut it, shake it, you guys. I broke that a little bit. I'm gonna shake it, and I have my bucket of water here that I'm gonna put them in and wait for my sister-in-law and brother to come over. My sister-in-law is gonna have lots and lots of beautiful yellow zinnias to enjoy. So we're gonna shake it, and I'm going to inspect it and dump it in the water. So that's what I'm doing first. I'm going to prepare her a bouquet to take home and enjoy. So here we go. She's going to have all my yellow zinnias. And I'm so happy that I get to give these flowers to someone to share. So we're just going to repeat everything. Shake it, inspect it. I can even blow on it. So here I am, and the flowers, stay hydrated and get some water. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you a little tip what I'm going to do. I'm not going to give her a vase, but I'm going to do a little tip to as she takes the flowers to keep them hydrated. So make sure you continue watching. And I have them pretty much faced up, just like for the camera wise, but I kept them face down for a little bit, you know, to get rid of any bugs or anything like that. And like I said, just for, like, you know, cuteness, I'm keeping them up like this for a while. But here we go. The flowers are soaking as I wait for them to come over. So I got a few zinnias and 2 of my coneflowers that were growing. She's getting all these flowers, you guys, all these flowers. I'm just sharing and giving and caring and loving. Yes. So here is the aftermath of my zinnias. They were full, and now I just got one little zinnia left. But if we look closely, you can see I got a potential bloom there. And I know I have more. Ooh, another potential bloom right there. Ooh, another one right there. Yeah. And I need to do some cleanup again. Get rid of all the dry, dead leaves. So, yeah. There we go. That's the aftermath of cutting all those beautiful zinnias for my sister-in-law. So, I'm so excited to be making a bouquet for August 1 because I love making my August bouquets. Make sure you check out my other videos. I have a July, March, April, May, June bouquets that I made, and this one I'm going to give to a family member. So I'm excited to give to a family member. So I'm going to show you some things that I'm on a budget, you guys. So, but this is the only ribbon I could find. So I'm going to tie the bouquet with this black ribbon. It's what I had, you guys. I'm going to use what I have and give thanks. So I'm going to use this to tie to make the bouquet pretty. Also have before they get here, I'm going to keep the flowers hydrated in the bucket of water that I showed you guys. But also I'm going to soak this paper towel and wrap it around this foil. Hopefully it will help keep it hydrated as they travel back home or do some little errands, but I think they might go back home, so we should be good. So I'm going to soak this up with water, wrap it around the flowers, and wrap the foil around this with the flowers to help keep the flowers staying hydrated. Okay, you guys, so this is my sister-in-law's finished bow. Some are limping because I think I shook them too hard as I prepared to clean them, because I wanted to make sure when she took them there were no bugs in them. So I just put this little bow around them, and before I put the bow around the flower, you guys, I put the tape, scotch tape around it, and I was just gonna like do the method of wrapping the paper towel, a wet paper towel with foil, but since they're so limp, I'm just gonna give her one of my old jars. I'm gonna clean the water out, just letting them soak right now, and just have her keep the vase if she'd like to keep it. So this is her flowers. So some are limping, like I said, but just prop them up because I was shaking them really hard, you guys, to make sure there were no bugs in there, and I was blowing it, and it was like, typically when I put these in my garden in my house, typically when I put these in my house from my garden, I do the shaking cleaning, but I'm not so aggressive. But since I'm giving this away to somebody, I want to make sure it's as clean as possible. So I also have this little extra flower that I didn't make the bouquet, so I'm just gonna dump it in water and wait for them to come. So this is her finished bouquet with a cute bow. It is full of zinnias. I'm sure she's gonna love them, and when she comes, I'm gonna give her a little tip. If she wants to grow some zinnias, I'm gonna tell her what to do. Hey you guys, I told you this video is gonna have some special people in it. So I made the bouquet for my beautiful sister-in-law, and here I have my brother. And this whole video is about sharing, giving, and caring. So my brother and sister-in-law are here because I'm going to share some of the things that I'm growing in my garden, and for my brother and my sister-in-law to take home and continue growing those and watch them grow. The thing that I'm going to share with my brother, if you guys have been watching my strawberry videos, make sure you check them out, is I'm growing some strawberries. And I propagated these. I propagated some of you guys. I don't think I'm going to be able to handle all of them. So one thing I'm going to share with my brother is some strawberries that I'm growing. So he's going to be able to pick which one he wants. He can't pick the big ones that I'm growing, but I got some pots that I'm going to share with him. I was going to throw some away, but I said, you know what? Let me share and get some. So here are some other things that I'm going to share with my brother, and he's going to choose. So let's see which one he's going to choose, you guys. So I told you, by the way, I like my brother's shirt and my sister-in-law's shirt. So I told you guys my brother is going to pick some strawberries over here. So I have 3 plants for him right here that he could choose. As you can see, this is where my cat nibbled. Yes.
This one's mine right here. That's the one's calling my name.
Okay,
right
so my brother-in-law wants this. Why do you want this one, bro?
Well, I want this one because it looks like it's got some little bulbs right here, and it's kind of like imperfect. I kind of like imperfect plants, so this is the one I want to get right there, and we're going to make it grow.
Yeah, make it grow. That's what you got to do. You got to be patient. So I don't know if my brother, if you guys watch my YouTube, you guys know I'm not a professional gardener, but if he has any questions for me, I will give him tips that I've observed while growing strawberries. This is my first time growing strawberries, but since we are here in California, Zone 10B. I think he's in the same region as well because we're not that far from each other. But we're in Garden Zone 10B, and we are having heat waves, you guys. We are having heat waves. So what I suggested to my brother is these dried up because it was just hot. It was just hot. So I suggest that he just cut these, and he will have a potential another bloom. And also, I know my brother, he likes to garden. He's gonna transfer this into a bigger pot. Definitely. And he gonna watch
bigger pot, bigger
he gonna watch them grow, you guys. Speaking of bigger pot, bigger strawberries, I'm gonna take you guys just for a little bit to show you my strawberries that I'm growing. Right here, you guys, speaking of bigger pot, bigger strawberries, here are the strawberries that I'm growing in my pot. This pot is bigger, as you guys can see. And look at these flowers, you guys. And if you watch my videos, I don't have my little paintbrush, but you can take your finger or a Q-tip, and this is the male part of the strawberry. So what you just want to do is just like if you ain't got no bees going around, just take your finger and pollinate that right there, and you're gonna get, trust me, you're gonna get more. So in my other strawberry video, I think about how I mentioned that I don't think I'm gonna get any strawberries this season, but I was surprised. Look how God has blessed me, and I had to be aware that these may not be perfect because it's the first group of strawberries, but I'm gonna just focus on all of them, and then let's see how they will grow. So time and patience, okay, you guys? Amen.
Growing.
Listen to the birds, relax. And Cupcake over there. Cupcake over there.
Ooh, strawberry. You got some bulbs coming. Might be a little time, but that's actually a strawberry right there. Yeah, it's tiny, but it's getting there. Of course, my favorite are the sunflowers.
So you guys, as I was talking about Sherry and Carrie, if you're just growing something simple in your garden, you guys can hear my cat in the background. It's just easy to share. Also, me or my sister-in-law is gonna read a beautiful Bible passage that talks about sharing, and it's just like an everyday thing. And I have a beautiful butterfly visiting my garden. So I think my brother wants to share something with me. Let's see what he's got for me.
Alright guys, alright YouTube, since the theme of the day is sharing, so I know my sister likes plants, so now I don't have the strawberries.
Baby.
Oh.
It's okay, Joe. All right, we'll keep that in
There you go, see.
Wait, hold on.
There you go. It's okay.
It's all good. It's all
It's
good.
good right
Yeah,
there.
be
We good,
careful.
we
Be
good.
careful.
Yeah, you know, she got a big garden with a small space. Okay, so anyway, it says we're in the spirit of sharing, and we should always share with people that we love and care about. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I love my sister. We're not that far from each other like that, and I love her videos. So anyway, I like succulents. I like cactuses, aloe vera, because they're kind of hard to kill. So anyway, they only need a little bit of water. I water my plants once a week. If it's really, really hot, I might water them twice a week. So this is a aloe vera. Now, a funny thing about this here plant right here is that this plant is from a single plant that I had. It was a gift from a coworker when I had in a previous job I had. It was my first time doing aloe vera. She gave me the plant, and she's like, "Hey, just put in some dirt." And from that one single leaf, it was one single leaf. Yeah. I've grown like 4 different pots of plants like that. So this
He's talking about propagation, you guys. Propagation.
Like so this is a baby that grew. Actually, this actually grew next to the mother, the big one.
Yeah.
So this is a baby aloe vera like that that grew on its own. It didn't have a separate root system, but when I took it out like that, so now it has its own roots. I just rooted it and planted it this morning. Got some fresh dirt and everything, and the spirit of giving and sharing. There you go, right there. I got one more. I got one more surprise for you.
Oh, thank you. This is beautiful. So my brother, if you guys watch my other videos, he's given me 2 aloe vera plants. And you know, aloe vera has like medical stuff that you can use for, and they're just beautiful and lovely, and I just love to watch them grow. So thank you, bro, for sharing and giving this to me.
Now here's the second surprise. Now this is like it's like a bag of dirt, right? But I got this dirt from Home Depot, so I paid for it. So it's a good dirt right there. Although
it's going to my tomatoes.
I don't think she needs any dirt right there. But this dirt is for succulents.
Oh.
You can use any kind of dirt you want, but it has like other nutrients in it. So you know, Home Depot has like a 10-pound bag for like $7 or $8. It's really inexpensive if you guys are on a budget or whatever like that. And this is just a little part of the bag. I took this out and I put it in there, and I bought her some extra dirt in case she didn't have any dirt. So anyway,
hey,
there you go.
You guys, I'm saving a trip. So thank you. And he did not know, but I needed some soil, and I'm going to be using this like probably in this video or later on today, you guys. So thank you so much, bro. Give me a hug, Thank you. Share it, give, you guys.
This is cool compared to Vegas.
I can imagine. So my beautiful, handsome brother, you guys, he's taken, so stop it, okay? So my brother, he gave me this, the soil and the aloe vera plant, and I have one more thing to give to him, you guys, from that I grew from seed, you guys. If you guys watch my tomato video, I grew these from seed. Some of the seedlings I had to get rid of, but I kept 2 just in case. So I have one for myself and one for my brother-in-law, my brother, to give. And this is a tomato plant. So he knows what to do. He's gonna transfer it. I talked to him about what bugs he may get with this tomato plant and to try to grow it by some basil. And I'm gonna give him some basil and he's gonna propagate that. And you know, we're gonna keep up to date about what's growing and everything. So I'm also giving him not just strawberries, but I'm giving him strawberries and tomatoes, and he's giving me something back, you guys. So this is sharing, caring for your loved ones, because food is getting expensive, y'all. So here we go, you guys. So here we go. So as I mentioned earlier before, I was cutting up my beautiful zinnias. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're bare now, but they're gonna grow back. I cut up these beautiful zinnias for August bouquet, as well to give to my beautiful sister-in-law, because she loves flowers. I know she loves sunflowers, but I couldn't get the sunflowers weren't ready for her yet. So I made her this beautiful bouquet, you guys. I explained to her I was shaking these things so hard that some of them got limp, because I want to make sure there was no creatures in there. And as usual, I just dumped them in the water for a couple of minutes, shake them, blow them, inspect them, and I think they're good and ready to go. I did not do the paper towel test as I mentioned, but I'm just going to keep them in this jar. And we have a beautiful Bible quote that I'm about to rip, you guys. And I want to share. This Bible quote is about sharing. Would you like to read it, Tanya, or should I? She's a little shy, so it's okay. And I wrote this wrong. And this is for the Bible. And anyone who has two shirts should share with the one who has none. We're sharing, right, you guys? And anyone who has food should also do the same. Once again, this is quoted from the Bible, Luke 3:11. So there you guys go, and I'll make sure I put it on. I'll post it up here so you guys can read it as well. So do you like your flowers, Tanya?
Yes, they're beautiful. Thank you, Tori.
You're welcome. She's a little shy, you guys, but you know, my brother trying to steal the show, you guys. Thank you so much, Joe. This
Garden tissue, you Tori, sure, you got the.
oh, when it's cold, Joe, I can't take this up. My back is sweating. Here you go, love bug. Okay, you guys, so that was my video, me sharing some beautiful plants with my sister-in-law and my brother, and I hope they have fun growing them and enjoying them, and sharing with your loved ones or just like someone in need is like the best feeling ever. And you guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, you guys, so you'll never miss a video coming from me and Tori. Like I always like to say, and keep on growing. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Some strawberry cheesecake, some salad, and it's gonna be on the crack. Take some time, but we got time. Just a like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah.